Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between the hills, lived a young boy named Severus. He was different from the other children, with his dark hair and deep, brooding eyes. Severus was a curious boy, always eager to learn. He loved to spend his days exploring the woods, searching for new adventures and answers to the mysteries that surrounded him. One day, while wandering in the forest, Severus stumbled upon a hidden library. It was filled with dusty old books, each one holding a tale waiting to be told. With a sense of excitement, Severus picked up a book about magic. He opened it, and as he read, he felt a strange warmth spread through him. The words on the page seemed to leap off the page and into his mind. Suddenly, a soft voice echoed in his head, "Welcome, Severus. You have a special gift, one that will change your life." Severus was shocked. He had always felt different, but he never knew why. Now, he understood. He was meant for something greater, something magical. With a newfound determination, Severus left the library and returned to his village. He kept his newfound knowledge a secret, vowing to use his gift for good. As he grew older, Severus's abilities grew stronger. He learned to control fire, manipulate water, and even speak to animals. But with great power comes great responsibility. One day, the village was threatened by a terrible beast. The villagers were terrified, not knowing what to do. But Severus, with his newfound powers, stepped forward. With a wave of his hand, he summoned a powerful gust of wind to blow the beast away. The villagers cheered, thanking Severus for saving them. From that day forward, Severus was hailed as a hero. But he never forgot his humble beginnings, and he always remembered the voice in the library that first told him of his destiny. And so, young Severus Snape grew into a wise and powerful man, using his gifts to protect those around him. He may have been different, but he was also special, and he used his powers for good, always remembering the lessons he learned in the hidden library. The end.